Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sarah. Sarah had always been relatively healthy, but she had recently noticed that she was feeling more sluggish and tired than usual. She decided to make some changes to her diet and lifestyle to see if she could feel better. Sarah began by cutting back on processed foods and increasing her intake of fruits and vegetables. She also started to incorporate more whole grains and lean proteins into her meals. At first, it was a bit challenging to make these changes, but Sarah quickly realized that she was feeling more energized and alert throughout the day. One day, while grocery shopping, Sarah ran into an old friend from high school named Jen. Jen had always been into health and fitness, and Sarah was excited to catch up with her and hear about what she had been up to. Jen told Sarah that she had recently become a certified nutritionist and was now helping people create personalized nutrition plans to improve their health. Sarah was intrigued and asked if Jen could help her with some of her health goals. Over the next few weeks, Jen and Sarah worked together to create a nutrition plan that was tailored to Sarah's specific needs and goals. Jen helped Sarah to understand the importance of balancing macronutrients like protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to support her energy levels and overall health. Sarah also learned about the benefits of micronutrients, like vitamins and minerals, and how they play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy body. Jen helped Sarah identify some nutrient-rich foods that she could add to her diet to make sure she was getting all of the vitamins and minerals she needed. As Sarah continued to follow her new nutrition plan, she noticed that she was feeling better than ever. She had more energy throughout the day, her skin was clearer, and she even lost a few pounds. Sarah was thrilled with her progress and was grateful to have had Jen's support and guidance. One day, Sarah decided to pay it forward and share her newfound knowledge with her friends and family. She hosted a healthy potluck, where everyone brought a dish made with whole, nutritious foods. Sarah shared her story and talked about how making simple changes to her diet had made a huge impact on her health and well-being. Thanks to Sarah's dedication to her health and her passion for helping others, she was able to make a positive impact on the lives of those around her. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.